this is a redo.
Yes, we're doing a redo.
Hopefully, both our big heads are in this video.
Are we in there?
But
anyways, yeah, we're at the beach right now. Show the beach. Show the beach.
Wow!
Whoa! So beautiful. So beautiful.
And wonderful.
Beautiful. Like us.
This is like the Maya and Rachel show.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Maya and Rachel show, and we're gonna show you what we do on our weekends.
Yeah.
And our typical Friday, as you might have saw.
Oh yeah, this is
Friday.
our typical Saturday.
Typical Saturday.
Yeah, that's tight.
We're volunteering right now. Well, actually, we're taking a break, a long break.
Yeah.
We
like an hour break long.
Yeah,
break.
But it's all right. You know, we get
pier. The pretty pier.
No,
I mean,
it's confidential. No, man, don't do it.
But anyway.
Yeah, what if he sees it? Anyways, yeah, what we were doing was we were picking up trash for the beach and helping the environment. Making the world. Why does it seem like it's like 5 o'clock right now?
It's like 2 right now.
It's only like 1:34.
Yeah.
And it's
like
anyway,
sunsetting. Wait, who are we making this video? So let's make it a Fred. Fred Cho.
Oh, we should do it. Okay, Fred.
Dude, I love your name. Fred.
Fred. Rachel. Rachel Cho.
Okay. Oh, I have so many things to say.
Wait, why do we always post videos for Fred?
Because we have no lives and
we have a life. We have a good life.
Okay, anyway. Oh, you know how I said...
Hey, stop hogging the camera.
Sorry. You know how I said I wanted to tell you stuff about... Yeah.
Ew.
You know. Well, yeah. Can I tell you now?
Okay.
I hear that's a yes.
Goodbye.
Okay. Well, okay, so like me and Rachel, you're not in the camera! Okay, we like, chat on our like Blackberries, because we both have Blackberries.
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
And it's called BBM, Blackberry Messenger.
So, you go here, and then you go here, and then you go to Rachel. Oh snap!
And
my name is Rachel.
Screen name is Rachel Cho.
And this is our combo.
You guys are meant for each other.
No, this is a question.
Okay, so like 20 years later. Wait, no, like 10.
Wait, how old?
I'm so 14.
I'm
going. Oh, her birthday's on November 28th. Don't forget that. That's coming up soon. That's like during Thanksgiving.
Don't get me anything. I feel bad.
She wants a kiss.
No, I never said that.
And a proposal. And anyway, but
antique ring, please. Or Tiffany ring. Those are so pretty.
I know. My middle name.
Classic. Yeah, her middle name's Tiffany.
Yeah, but anyway, what was I saying? What was I saying? Oh yeah, and another thing I need to tell you. What else? Rachel, get in the camera.
No,
Stop being embarrassed of Fred.